Need an online registration form for an event, webinar, class, or any other sign-up process? Well, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to create a registration form in Fillout from start to finish. We'll build the form, customize it, and get it ready to collect registrations. First, sign in to your Fillout account. Once you're on the dashboard, click Create Form. You can begin with a blank form or choose a registration form template if one is available. Next, add the information you want to collect from each participant. Common registration fields include full name, email address, phone number, organization, event preferences, and any additional details that are important for your registration process. Now customize your registration form by adding a title, description, and any helpful instructions. You can also organize questions into sections, change the design, and mark important fields as required so participants provide all the necessary information. After that, review your form settings before publishing. Depending on your plan and requirements, you may be able to enable confirmation messages, email notifications, response limits, or other available options that help manage registrations more efficiently. Use the preview feature to test the registration form before sharing it. Submit a sample registration to make sure every field works correctly and that the confirmation message appears as expected. Once everything looks good, click the Share button. Copy the registration link, embed the form on your website, or use any other sharing options available. People can then begin registering immediately, and that's it. You've successfully created a registration form in Fillout. Now you're ready to collect registrations and manage participant information with ease. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more simple technology tutorials, and thanks so much for watching.